2024 Ford Super Duty F-350 SRW. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.